Good morning, friends. In the morning, early morning, I gave an assignment for class 10, though it is for class 9 and 8 also, but it is preferably it is for board model question paper in grammar. And I gave this assignment. I would read out the answers with explanations. Read the paragraph given below and fill in the blanks with the help of options given. Humans have always thought of the moon as living in earlier times. It was seen that it had always been changing, since it was the brightest star in the dark sky. Humans watched and wondered why it was changing. The choice number, 4 is the right answer. Why it was changing? Why I am using past continuous? Because the sentence has earlier, opening lines in past perfect and past tense. Like it had always been changing. So past perfect, continuous has been used here. Similarly, since it was the brightest star, it is in simple past tense. So naturally, the second sentence, human watch, is in simple past and wondered is also in simple past. So simple past is always followed by past continuous. So they wondered why it was changing. So simple past always goes along with past continuous. So the right answer will be why it was changing. Humans, again B, choice number was the right answers. Humans, were, because the plural it is, humans were always afraid of the dark. Simple past tense. Humans were always afraid of the dark. So the bright light in C, choice number, bright light was always a, both welcome and mysterious. Bright light was always welcome and mysterious. So in answer number 1, it is past continuous. So simple past and past continuous go hand in hand. Second one, again it is, the choice second was there. That is, yes, war. Yes, war. And third one was again simple past. So most of the answers are in past tense. Either in past continuous or in simple past, because the entire paragraph has been written in past tense. Now the second question, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Drinking a large quantity of warm water, blank in sweating, results in. See, drinking is here a gerund. It is treated as a singular verb. Gerund is a singular verb. Always gerund, infinitive and participles are being treated as singular verb. So this is a non-finite. Drinking a large quantity, gerund is always treated as singular. It is singular verb. Drinking a large quantity of warm water results, V5, that is second choice, results in sweating. Second answer. Fasting also removes, again it is simple present, REMOVES. Fasting also removes poison, choice number 3, from the body. During the fast, take liquids after every 4 hours. So the choice number 2 is the right answer, take liquids. And Annie Frank described the incident of her life, simple past tense, in her kitty, that is her diary. Now, the most important thing that I want to explain in such questions, what are the ideas and what are the tricks that one should follow. Always remember, when a paragraph is written in past tense, naturally the options will be given in past tense and present perfect tense, just to confuse, but we have to choose the past tense only. When there is a simple past, it is always followed by past continuous. Like you can say, while the scientists were performing experiments, they discovered that the moonlight also differed from, time to time. So they discovered, simple past tense, they were experimenting, past continuous. Like while you were studying, the light went off. The light went off is simple past tense. You were studying is past continuous. So when you are connecting two actions at the same time happening in the past, either it will be simple past followed by past continuous, or past continuous followed by past perfect continuous. So it is like that. Second important thing that I want to say, like here that there is a gerund law, taking or drinking a lot of warm water results in, that is V5. So most of the infinitives and gerunds, the verbs are always treated as singular. Like walking, walking is a good exercise. Yeah, jogging provides us exercise to the entire body. Yoga keeps us alert and vigilant. Yoga keeps our body and mind fit. So keeps V5 simple present. Why I am using simple present? When we are actually explaining facts, any action which is factual or which is habitual or which is a scientific fact, like drinking water time and again keeps our body, I mean, healthy. Or drinking water after an interval is good for health. So whenever we are using gerund, it will be always treated as singular. Similarly, to walk, it is infinitive. To walk is a good exercise. To walk provides us exercise to the body. To jump and to jog provides us a complete exercise to the body. So even infinitives can be treated as singular verb. To speak polite word is a good habit. To speak, it is a singular infinitive verb, and therefore verb will be the finite verb will be singular. To speak, singular verb. To speak polite word is a good habit. So we are using all the infinitives and gerunds are treated as singular verb. Like helping one another is a good habit. Helping is a gerund here. Yeah, smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is a gerund. Yeah, drinking alcoholic liquid is injurious to health. Drinking, again, it is gerund. So all gerunds are treated as singular. And then when we are speaking about facts, always use simple present tense, and with singular V5, with plural V1. Like you see, you can say that taking warm water results in, that is V5. Performing yoga exercises keeps us healthy. Performing, it is gerund. Performing yoga exercises. Yes. Intake of sprouted foods. Intake of sprouted foods provides us enough raw fish, enough minerals. Sprouted food. Intake of sprouted food provides us V5. Similarly, reading good books keeps us well aware of good ideas. Reading scriptures keeps our mind always spiritual, full of spirituality. Prayer always keeps us away from evil thoughts and ideas. Praying to God keeps us always cool and calm. Watching, I mean, the beautiful greenery makes us happy, makes us cool, makes us soothing. It provides a soothing effect. So all these are factual actions, and therefore V5 will be. So V5, that is simple present tense, will be used with the habitual action and actions which are which take place as a matter of habit, or scientific facts, the actions which take scientifically, the actions which are regular actions, frequent actions, like we go to school every day, we study our books every day, we prepare for exams every time, we, I mean, keep on reading books every time, we keep on interacting with the children all the time. Whenever there is class, we keep on talking and explaining the things. Children keep on asking. Children ask questions when there is class, live class. On online classes also, children put up questions and the teachers keep on answering the questions. So these are the factual actions, the actions which are frequently happening, and they are facts. Habitual actions, we get up early in the morning, we go to our offices, then we come back from our offices, we sit, we take our lunch at a particular time, we take our dinner at a particular time, we take rest during the day, and then sometimes we watch programs and like that. So all these actions, habitual actions, frequent actions, scientific actions, general actions, or factual actions, they are always put in simple present tense. And so in with this singular, V5 will be used, with the plural V1 will be used. That is how we will, I mean, discuss about the use of for form and the explanation of these questions. So it is clear that whatever I gave, it is clearly in simple present tense, like drinking a large quantity of warm water results in sweating. Fasting also removes poison from the body. During the fast, take liquids every after 4 hours. Annie Frank, यही एक ठो past tense में रहेगा. Annie Frank described the incidents of her life in her kitty, in her diary. That is in past tense. Annie Frank wrote her diary long ago. So it is not that she is writing the diary every day. She had written this diary long ago. So it will be described. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.